Good day, everyone. Trust you're doing well today. Happy new trading week. The market spent most of last week consolidating near record high around 241,000 level. Now, let's break down last week market activities step by step. On May 4th, which was Monday of last week, market opened positively. ASI went up, 0.4% on cautious optimism. A really cautious optimism because, it was the start of May. Now, by Wednesday, May 16th, ASI dipped 1.35% due to profit taking after recent rally of about some weeks ago. Now, that was actually when the LD consolidation began last week. Then by Thursday, May 7th, ASI gained 1.08%. That was on broad-based buying. Volume also increased to 1.47 billion shares. Then by Friday, May 8th, Berger, CAP, ICO led gainers with 10% sharp move, confirming bullish for industrial and insurance sectors. That same day, ASI closed 244,670,000 up, 0.77% that Friday, finishing the week strong. So basically, most profit taking of last week was observed in Access Core, Zenith Bank, and UBA after weeks of strong, rally. Sustained foreign investor confidence is also driving the market at this point. Year-to-date return still strong at 57.30%, which is an exceptional performance. Industrial and insurance sector showing some selective strength. However, the banking sector is experiencing more of profit taking and consolidation, which was actually responsible for ASI consolidation earlier in the week of last week. Now, the general mood of the market is the trend is still up. So you just focus on quality companies with strong fundamentals. Now let's see my stock recommendation for this week. Number one, GTCO. GTCO is a good one to buy. Number two, UBA. Well, accumulate plenty of UBA shares and wait. Even if UBA keeps dipping, keep on accumulating. Number three, WEMA. WEMA is a good one to buy. Number four, Stanbic. Stanbic is a good one to buy, but not so much profit to be made. Number five, ICO. ICO is a good one to buy. And number six, Nigeria Breweries. Nigeria Breweries is also a good one to buy. That's all I have for this week. Do not forget to support the channel by liking the video and subscribing to the channel. Lastly, if you're in profit but can't tell when to exit the market to enable you lock in profit, mention the stock in the comment section below and ask if it's the right time to sell. I will help you check and provide you answers. So happy investing and see you in the next video. Bye.